Hi everyone, it's Nay and welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury fashion lifestyle, unboxings, reviews, hauls, and vlogs, you'll find yourself right at home here. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell if you want to be alerted whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let's get right into it. I know I did that really fast. I am so excited today. It's been a while since I have done a video. Well, actually, it's been a while since I've done a Hermes haul. Yes, I love doing Hermes hauls. I'm gonna put somewhere my other hauls so that you guys can see them. So go ahead and check out those after you're done watching this video. Do not click out, watch this video, and then go ahead and go to my other Hermes hauls that I'm going to link. It's gonna be a pretty big haul. I got a lot of goodies from Hermes, so let's just get right into it. I'm gonna just bring this down. You guys can probably already guess what some of these things are by the boxes. I'm gonna just start with this. The essay did put some tags on there, some stickers on there. So if you see a little, that's a sticker that they wrote what it is, because some of the items I did get more than one of. And this is a tie, so you guys can see. And I think this color is Bordeaux. This is for my husband. It's a gift, so yes. He didn't know, so he's gonna be watching this surprise. He didn't know he was getting a tie, but he kept saying he wanted a red one and he loves Bordeaux. So this is not like the classic red. This is like the kind of burgundy-ish red. It's so nice. Look at that, guys. And this tie has the H detail. So I'll show you what else my husband got and then I'll go into my stuff. So I'm ready to wear. And this is an Hermes polo shirt. It's like this. Basic white polo. This Hermes right there. And then it does have the H detail on the pocket right there. We'll zoom into that. It's right here, the detail is right here. H detail. So it's a very nice classic white polo shirt. Okay. And then this one is a black. I think this is the t-shirt. It's like this. And this one has the H detail in the pocket as well. Kishu ballerinas. If you guys check my other Hermes haul that I'm gonna put down below, you'll see that we did get these last time in another colorway, and they're super comfortable. So you guys can see, look at that bottom. The beautiful bottom, the soles are gorgeous. Okay, the buckle. They do have the white stitching. So. And these are earrings. I think these are called air chips. And what I like about these is that they're actually reversible. So one side is like a brownish color. I don't know if you guys can see that. I am going to zoom in. And the other side is like marine or navy. So you can literally wear these on either side. You can see both sides like that. Beautiful. I really love the neutral colorways. You can see, and it does say Hermes Paris right here on the side. I like this one. This one's so beautiful. I wanted to get some that has incorporate some blue. Look at this side. Now this side does have the very light pink. Okay. This is one of the newer Twillys that I just fell in love with. Guys, look at this detail. Look at this one. Look at that. Okay, this one is reversible as well. The next one, reversible. This one is the crayon. This one. Go quick. This one. This one is beautiful. This is one of the newer Twillies as well. You guys probably know what this is too. I love this box. The dust bag. It's a hat. The H detail. And then it has like a little cutout right there. And the horse, look right here. That detail. There goes the back. Inside of the hat. I am going to save this one for another video. You might be able to guess what this is. But yeah, so I'm going to unbox this one in the next video. So thanks for watching, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and come back so you can see what Quota bag I got. Thanks for watching.